Today we're going to make a drink with pumpkin spice. If you're a white chick, stay tuned. But I know that's not my demographic. Everyone else is going to love it because it has vodka in it. Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Derek, Brianna, and Dan are going to make for you the pumpkin spice White Russian.
Oh my god, this sounds fantastic.
What do you do?
Who doesn't like the White Russian?
With pumpkin spice.
With pumpkin spice.
Well, white chicks
Any kind of Russian is great.
do. Yes,
They do.
like
Down for any Russian.
Yes.
Yeah. We're using some...
do Russians like White Russians?
Probably not.
It's got vodka in
If
it.
there was a drink called White American, would you be all over that?
Yeah.
Good.
If it's a tasty drink and it had pumpkin spice, probably.
White
I'd take
American.
2 white Americans with pumpkin.
Would I be all over that? I mean, maybe I had a little bit of a tan.
This drink contains 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of coffee liqueur, 1 ounce of pumpkin spice syrup, 2 ounces of heavy cream or milk. I'm going to use milk because heavy cream in a White Russian, while it tastes delicious, it just makes me feel so bad about myself.
Well, and cream has like a mouth feel.
Yeah.
That is just
It's got like a little
film.
The pumpkin spice syrup I made here, you can make your own. What you need is a little pumpkin spice powder stuff.
Like a little person. You shove them in there.
Pumpkin spice.
Oh, you get a little pumpkin spice out?
Pumpkin
You put them right into that hot
Syrup.
You can,
hot syrup?
I try to find, because this time of year you can get coffee liqueur. Or
He
coffee,
tried to find a little elf.
like the coffee pumps, right? They're like little coffee pumps that have like the.
Oh,
The
yeah,
syrup.
the actual
That's the
syrup.
Yeah. So they have those, but I couldn't get them here until tomorrow if I bought them on Amazon. So I made my own.
Yeah,
That's.
Prep.
it's better.
I thought of this the other day, and I was
know, I
like,
was sitting
one
right
ounce.
next to you.
yes.
Whole 1 ounce? Damn,
That's a lot of sugar.
we are in it to win it.
It's and that's brown sugar as well.
Oh shit.
Ooh.
It's not just
That thick stuff.
yeah. It's not just not
Oh shit,
turbinado. It's not
brown
white.
sugar?
It's brown
and
sugar. Yeah.
Oh,
It's,
this
We're gonna be
it's
off the
Halloween,
walls.
bitches. It's time to get into this. Oh, you
Wait,
want some milk?
do I shake it with
Shake it with milk? You can shake it with milk. It's not gonna
Not
like.
carbonated.
Yeah, milk isn't carbonated.
Oh.
It's
I
brand new.
actually haven't had just milk in so long.
Milk.
Market
Just
basket
milk?
milk. I'm surprised.
I was at Market Basket buying this stuff because it was faster than driving all the
It's
way across
probably
town.
good
and where
with
it was.
market basket breaking on it.
Yeah, it's just. I haven't found milk from the generic ones to be that bad. Not that I'm a milk connoisseur per se.
I would never know.
Not really. I drink a lot of like
Well,
milk and
you drink generic stuff because you're cheap.
no, because I'm Chinese.
I didn't say
The
it.
cheapness comes.
With
But
you.
wait a minute, you're not Chinese.
Well, I'm half.
You're
So
Taiwanese.
I mean, I'll buy like a middle brand.
So you, as a Taiwanese man, you're now self-identifying as Chinese.
Well,
Asian.
Asian.
So
Asians just at all.
It's just so much. I'm like, oh, I'm Taiwanese. It's like 3 fucking syllables. That's a lot.
wait a minute. So you call
I'm just
yourself
Asian.
Chinese because it's shorter
Yeah.
than Taiwanese?
Because people are like,
Taiwanese.
because every time I say Taiwanese, you know what everyone says? Oh, I fucking love Thailand. No, not from Thailand, motherfucker.
They're not even called Taiwanese.
Yeah, I know. That's what everyone's like. Oh, you've been in Thailand?
They're Thailandish.
And I'm like, no, it's Taiwan. And they're like, I don't like I'm Chinese.
All you have to say is, I come from the country
say
that
Asian.
everybody wants
Asian,
to take over.
It's all
And you're really
Asian.
good at chip manufacturing.
Yeah. I'm like, you want an iPhone?
Go to China, but get your chips in Taiwan.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Get down from there.
Hey, it's crack.
Are you
Crackhead.
supposed to be up there?
Mrs. Crack. Oh my gosh, it looks like her face coloring looks wrong from here. Can you really look at the white part?
The penis?
Her white face coloring parts look like a penis. Did you ever notice that?
No,
It's
I
uncanny, in fact.
Thanks.
Crack! Get off!
She'll work her way down.
No, she's gonna fall.
She was on the bar earlier.
This is
and
gonna
fell off.
overflow this. Should I not put ice in there?
She recanted.
Yeah.
Should I
want
put
ice?
ice in it?
Sure. It's a White Russian. I think it's always kind of weird. Like, some people do ice, some people don't. I've always done ice in a White Russian.
I think it's gonna overflow.
Well, then you have seconds.
Oh, that's
This
true.
is quite
You
simple.
think you're not going to get to drink all that?
It looks pretty nice.
Ian's not here today.
Yeah, he likes the cream drinks too.
He does.
Oh,
Stop talking about Ian. You're making me feel bad.
Why?
I'm just as good.
because you replaced him?
Yeah, but
They're gonna eat. So I mean, they're gonna vote after. So we'll see.
No.
we want 1 or 2 Shomers per show. That's it. Can you not do that?
Can you get this on camera?
Are you shaking like under the bar?
No, that's even worse.
Yeah.
Do you want just a little bit?
No.
You
A
want,
lot.
You want a lot?
Now, if you really want to score extra points, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to run downstairs, but you can put some of the pumpkin spice puree on top. That's going to make it
She's
very
falling.
difficult for us to. Oh, you're gonna. That's going to make it.
That's not what he meant.
That's-
But that's okay.
Oh.
I don't know.
The sprinkle. He was
No, but I say go for it. I say
You're
go
I'll
gonna
for it.
say
make
it.
it sweet, too sweet.
You think this is?
You're gonna make it too sweet. Jen, come here. You have to take the first sip.
Yeah.
That's.
oh,
This is.
I think you went overboard on
This
the.
might be a little. It's that we need a straw for this, or like.
No.
Well, then you go first.
Don't hand me the heavy
Uh-huh.
side.
Well, how else you gonna get the top? How you gonna?
Yeah.
Oh, look at how you're dripping it all over the floor.
You got it on your nose.
You do.
See? Yeah, it's pretty good,
Oh,
huh?
that was.
Wife or daughter?
Daughter.
Ew! Oh my god, I'm sorry for that reaction.
Hysterics.
Oh yeah, we had a whole thing last week.
Yeah,
Manny, it took me, I didn't get it until I left the bathroom. Because I went to the bathroom after and I didn't get it. I was like, I know what these things mean, but I don't get it. Like, and then he was like, wondering why they're so close. I'm like, what? And then after I was like, oh, he means that Dan's my dad.
Yes.
But you're my mom still.
Yes.
That's the pineapple part.
Right. But,
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
but the math,
But
Because I mean, the hole you come out of, there's no like, there's no.
Right.
unless you're switched like in the back room,
Can't be.
they'd have to switch
Oh,
in the
this
back
is
room.
good.
Manny apologized to me. He was like, I was just joking around. I was like, I know. I'm pretty sure if I remember
See,
correctly.
Manny doesn't know how to do a good joke. A good
No, that
joke.
was a good joke.
No. Good jokes don't have to have you go in later and like apologize. You just let it hang and stay that way.
Maybe I'm making that up, and I'm pretty sure he did.
How do you
Well,
make
that's
that?
just there because you're mean.
Yeah.
That's good. Mm.
It looks like chocolate milk. It does not taste like chocolate milk, though.
But like,
The pumpkin.
it smells like chocolate milk.
The pumpkin spice. The pumpkin spice really like comes through.
It's not too sweet.
Come through
Is that
spice.
It's as sweet as chocolate milk, right?
Huh?
It's about as sweet as chocolate milk.
No. And it's alcohol. It's not as sweet.
Okay,
The
barring the
alcohol cuts
alcohol.
I don't think so.
You know what would make it sweeter? Which
I
we
think we
didn't
should
do?
put more crumbs.
Is this.
If you like
This is
a White
Mr.
Russian?
Black. Yeah, this is a pretty good White Russian.
Mm.
Because it's
I
not
never
the,
eat with
White
Oh wait,
Russians
if I
are-
had Kahlua, it'd be sweeter.
That's pretty
That's what I'm
Oh,
saying.
Yeah, if I had Kahlua, yes. It would
Mr.
definitely
Black
be sweeter.
tastes more like it's like comparing Starbucks to Dunkin'. Like this is like very beanie forward flavor.
Yeah.
Where
beanie forward.
Yeah.
Because
Oh,
I'd have to
God.
say, like,
Yeah.
a normal
You
White
notice
Russian is actually a little bit, like, sweeter. It always has that, like...
No.
it's coffee. It's a coffee coffee of milk, basically. But
It's like a pumpkin spice latte with alcohol. It's kind of what it tastes like.
pretty much. It's
A
pumpkin-
PSL.
It's a PSL for white chicks. But if you use Kahlua, it would be sweet, never beat. Because it would be sweet.
It
Never
would be
beat.
sweeter.
Yeah.
It'd definitely be
Because
sweeter.
Kahlua is like sugar water.
Kahlua is really sweet.
This
It's
tastes
quite
more
tasty,
like
but it's really sweet.
dark beanie roasts. Like this is the best dirty bean water you can get. Grade awesome.
That was so like millennial of you.
It's good.
I'm not even a millennial.
What are you?
Gen X. Dude,
That was so Gen X of you.
thank you.
Yeah.
We drank from
Millennial.
we
You think
drank
we're
from the
Don't
water
talk
hose.
to me before I've had my bean water. That's literally something like a shirt
No.
you'd wear.
Rub some
that's
dirt on it is what.
yeah.
Yeah.
Our
We don't-
generation is
we
all
Rub
never-
some bean water on it.
We didn't say a lot of things. We were like quiet. Because then our parents
Oh,
would
no.
beat
We
us
definitely said
Oh
a
my
lot of
gosh.
stuff.
when we were kids.
Hmm.
To who? Not on. We didn't have the internet. nobody wrote fucking books. So where were we saying all these things? To our friends?
Yes.
We were talking back
Yeah,
to...
yeah, it's not recorded anywhere.
Yeah, no. Well, maybe on a tape.
You can't
Yeah.
prove it.
You can't prove it. Yeah, maybe on like a cassette
On a
tape.
cassette tape. Dude, if I could find some of my old cassette tapes, I used to like record myself constantly. Like I wanted to be like a radio DJ, so I'd have little recordings of myself. And like, and then after it would be me and my neighbors and stuff. Then when we got older, we played them back. It was before our voice changed, and then we were older, and you could hear like you're different. And you're like,
Yeah.
wow, wicked.
Where are they gone?
I don't know.
With the wind.
Oma.
I bet
no.
you Oma has them.
No, I think I probably
Hiding.
had a tape thing. I probably just threw them all out.
Yeah.
Oh, it could be in Grandpa's shop.
You couldn't even play
In the
it. I don't
crevices.
even know where you're going to get a tape
You could get a
Right.
tape player.
Oh, they have so many.
Yeah. You could buy like,
eBay. So much weird stuff on
eBay?
eBay.
I
You can
guarantee
get trash packs.
Pinterest?
You can get trash packs on eBay. Me and Liam were looking into it.
I
Gosh.
guarantee if you went
Did
to
Tyler ever play
Amazon.
with trash packs?
No, what is
It's like Swinkies and trash packs. We had like a 20-minute long conversation the other day about them. They were like our favorite thing. They were like little squishies, and they were like the first mystery thing, and they were just pieces of trash with faces. Like it would be like a trash can with the face and like goo coming out of it.
Yeah.
I've never understood like they're your age definitely loved like opening something up. Like
Well,
Yeah.
hold on.
like everything was in an egg.
Yeah.
No,
Like
that's a
all the
lot
YouTube-
today. Today it's all like mystery.
Yeah,
It's
but
just
we
like
had things
the
like this.
unopening of the egg, and it's just like some shitty.
We had wait. We had baseball cards. We had Garbage Pail Kids. We had like
Garbage Pail Kids.
we had the little you
Like
open up
That's
the
just
collector things.
legit.
I used to collect the WWF card set that was like the baseball cards, but they were
Yeah.
all the WWF wrestlers and stuff like that. And like I had done. I
have the
probably
Star
still
Wars
have
ones.
those books.
Oh,
Those
really?
might
I have
be
the
over
Star Wars like trading cards.
there. Yeah, like they were just all these WWF
That was
trading
like the
cards.
Magic
They
the
might be
Gathering.
worth something.
I know.
You know what
You
I
should
found
look
out?
into it. People
Most-
sell stuff like that on eBay for a lot of money.
Most of the stuff that I've looked at that
They're
I was
not
like,
good.
would it have been collectible had I kept it? Is not. Like, sure, back then it was $5 and now you could sell it for $30. Would you keep something for
No.
40 years to sell it for $25?
Yeah, but $25
That
a
shit is shit.
piece
Yeah.
And that's a no.
per card.
Well, just
But then
in
you
general,
gotta, you know, the
things.
work it takes to like go through and be like,
Oh, yeah.
is this worth anything?
My
Is
Transformers,
this worth anything?
that was a bad decision. Had I kept my Transformers, well, here's the thing.
There, a lot of people collect them.
But the problem is mine were, I used them. Like, I play with them all the time. So,
Yeah,
like,
but-
you have, like, you'd
you
have,
have
like,
to have them like
They have the pristine ones.
Yeah.
Right, I had-
I'm
Yeah.
sure other people would still get them.
yeah, but the problem is, like, it
Maybe
was,
not for as
like,
much.
the cassette tape, I can't remember, Storm.
Oh, yeah.
Thundercrack, I know.
See, that's the one we could have played the tape.
Yeah. It was a boombox tape
Yeah, it was a
deck thing. It had a
boombox.
little tape that came out and turned into a bird. If you held it in your hand and then you grabbed it like this, it would transform because all the parts were like so weak and it was all metal, so it would just kind of like go whoop and open up.
I had
and turn into
Megatron. It was the actual gun.
Yeah, the gun.
Oh, I had the gun.
Before
With the
they had to
scope.
put orange on the ends. Of
Yeah.
it. Mine was gray, and it had. Did you have the extended thing to make
Yes,
it into
yeah.
a big gun with a sniper rifle on top? Yeah, that's not. They can't do that anymore.
They can't do that.
Or Liam had those things
I had
where
the
you
big
rolled
white
them
jet
out
one.
and they
Oh yeah, back here.
Starscream?
Guns.
back you guys. Yeah,
Starscream?
those are. I don't.
Starscream.
We
Was it
they make them
Starscream?
cool now.
It was like the
there
bigger
was
white-
the one
Yeah,
he used to
that's a good
have,
one.
the
Yeah.
maroon one with the
That's a
yellow,
good guy, wasn't
which
it?
was the one we were
Yeah.
talking about.
Yeah,
It
that's
looks insane. And then we looked at the one from like when we were kids,
remember
and it
Mask?
looked so
I had all
like
of them, yeah.
bum ugly.
They had like
it's
the,
like
and they had like the little things, and they like the Jeep would turn into a boat, and yeah.
It was a
Okay.
Corvette and had
Yeah,
shot up.
way
Dark.
off.
Yes. All right.
Anyway,
All right.
write down below in the comments what was your favorite nostalgic thing from toy when you were a kid. I'm gonna go with masks. 'Cause I had a lot of masks, a lot of Mickey Man, a lot of
Oh.
GI Joe, and a lot of
I did He-Man.
yeah. So write down below if you're Gen X or millennial. If you're their age,
If you're millennial, you just had YouTube and you
iPads.
play with trash.
I'm not a millennial. I'm not a millennial.
Millennial.
I'm not a millennial.
She's an alpha.
I'm a Gen
beta,
Z.
You're Gen Z?
Yeah,
Mhm. Millennials are like 30.
yeah.
40.
Millennials
They're
are
like 40.
Courtney.
You're 40.
Your
Oh, that's
uncle is a millennial.
Right.
I know. I'm not.
All I'm
All right.
saying is that it's time to go. Sidebar, more videos down below. Bartender Certificate at observation.com. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink
Every day.